ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? How are you keeping? I know it's very hard season for us, especially with all this going on, Corona, and staying at home. It's not easy, but nonetheless, we are very hopeful that all this will surely soon come to pass, and we'll be able to go back to our lives and just enjoy being, alive and working. Yes, but yeah, why I'm doing this video, you already know. Yes, but I want to welcome you. If you're new here, you're just checking out this channel, please subscribe and make sure you share this content, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Yes, so I recently been posting a few pointers on how people can do their wardrobe makeover, especially with this stay-at-home thing. So to keep yourself busy and to make sure you're productive, I thought of sharing a few pointers on how you can do your wardrobe makeover just at home and have fun while at it. So I thought, it's just a general pointer. So I thought I should do maybe a step-by-step pointer so that it's very easy and manageable for people who have taken up the challenge. By the way, thank you guys who've taken up the challenge and telling me I'm doing it, I'm planning to do it. And even for those who are still skeptical and saying, I don't think my wardrobe can be, made over, don't worry, this is your video. And hopefully you'll be able to get motivated and do the makeover yourself. So I have 5 steps, very simple and easy. They are not, hard and, rocket science kinds of points. They're very simple and easy. And I'll be very practical with the points. And that's why I have this kind of wardrobe care, very simple and nice, colorful wardrobe, so that I elaborate more. I don't just speak and talk. So my first point is what I call your regulars. What are your regular clothes? Which are the clothes you wear on a daily basis? You like how they fit you, you like how they look, you like the colors, and generally they are your clothes that you can go to any day, anytime you are going somewhere. So first point is your regulars. Pick out your regulars from your closet, the clothes you don't think twice about. Pick them out. If your regular is like this one, this one, just pick them out from your closet and group them together like what I'm doing. Pick them out if they're like, such kind of outfits. Pick all of them from your closet. After you've done picking, place them on a seat, on the floor, on a table somewhere where you can clearly see them. Right? So you picked all your regulars, the ones you like, the ones you enjoy wearing, you love the color, their fit. You picked all of them from your closet, from your wardrobe, and you place them on the table, on your bed, on a seat where you can clearly see everything. Right? Are we together? Yes. So this is the step 1. Pick them, put them on the table, somewhere you can clearly see them. Good. Now we're going to step number 2. Step number 2 is also very easy and simple. It's what I call your nevers. These are clothes for some reason you never wear, either because you don't know how to style them. You're not confident enough to put the look they have, or you just like, I love this dress and I love these pants, but I just don't know where to wear them to. So I call them your nevers. They sit in a corner in your closet somewhere, and you never wear them, for many months. You never put those clothes. I call them your nevers. So after you picked your regulars and you place them in a table, in a bed somewhere where you can see them, go back to your closet, pick your nevers. This could be a bright pant that you don't have a confidence to pull. It could be a skirt that you bought and you don't know how to wear. It could be a dress that you never wear because you don't know where to wear it to. It could be a jumpsuit. I don't know what is in your wardrobe. It could be a jumpsuit like this that you're like, man, this one, I'm not even confident I'll wear. So these are your nevers. They sit somewhere in a corner in your wardrobe. You don't have the confidence. You don't know how to style them. So you just look at them and go into your regulars. Pull all of them from your closet as well. Place them somewhere also where you can clearly see them. I'll just place them here so that you can all see what I'm saying, like this. So you can clearly see all of them, right? Yes, so you have your regulars here where you can see, you have your nevers here where you can also see clearly. Now, I'm gonna stay here in the neighbors because this is where everything is. This is where all problem is for most people, especially if I've done wardrobe makeover for, is this section because it's never touched. It's just somewhere on your closet. So I'll concentrate on this section. After you've done this, I want you to go ahead. Are you ready? On to my third point, which is categorize your neighbors into 3 groups. These 3 groups, number 1 is what I call no. These are the ones you never wear. Again, they are like, no, this one, I don't like how it looks. If it's damaged, it's torn, I'm not gonna wear it. So you take that, the ones that fall on the no. I don't know which one, maybe it's this one. You say, this one is torn, it's ragged, whatever, I'm not gonna wear this one anywhere. So this is group 1, I call no. You take the no's, fold them nicely, and put them aside, like this. However many they are. So pick the no's from your neighbors, pick all of them, fold them, put them aside, right? Then we go to group number 2, under the neighbors, which I call not now group. They are close to like. Maybe you bought them expensively for occasion, for a function, a wedding, I don't know, a dinner, and you want them only once. And you're like, this one, I'm not ready to give it out, but I'm also not ready to wear it, but I want to still have it. So I call them not now. So this not now, maybe this one, I don't know, a fancy dress, a fancy gown, you bought expensively, you've only worn once, and you say, this one, I'm not ready to part with, but I'm also not ready to wear it. So I call it not now group. So you also put the not now group nicely, fold it, however many they are. I'm sure your dinners, dinner dresses, wedding, whatever dresses, you know them. The ones you only wear once, they fall under this category. So you want to fold them nicely because they are very expensive. You value them. You put a lot of money into those dresses. You want to take care of them before you figure out what you will do them. Fold them nicely, put them in a bag. If you have a bag, put them in a bag in a suitcase nicely, and put that suitcase under your bed. Yes, put that suitcase under your bed. I say maybe after 3 or so months, you should come back and look at them, and you should know already whether you're gonna wear them or not. If you're not sure, again, if you're not gonna wear them, please give them out. It's fine. You bought them at a very high price. Give them out. You're not gonna wear them after 3 or 6 months. Yeah. But I'll do a video, I think, on how you can revamp and wear those clothes to just bring life back to it so that it doesn't feel like you wasted money. You get? So you are not now, fold them nicely, put them in a bag, somewhere in a suitcase, push it under your bed. Then I go to group 3, which I call how to. They are very nice clothes. You like how they look. You really like the colors. You love them, and you're like, this one I'll wear at some point. I just don't know how to style them. I just don't know where to wear them to, how to pair them, but I really want to wear them. It's called how to. So this will be my next focus. So how to, we're gonna focus on them after these 3 no and not now. We're gonna focus now on how to, because this is what revamp and bring color to your wardrobe. So this one is our main focus, and I want you guys to help me in doing this. I know some of you have been doing the makeover. You've already done half of your closet. Maybe you're thinking on wondering, what the hell on earth am I gonna start doing this? Don't worry, this is your video. So after you've reached this stage of how to, I want you to take maybe three outfits from your how to. They might be pants like this, they might be dress, they might be skirts. I don't know, skirts like this one. On how to, you've never worn them, you like them, you just don't know how to style them. So pick these ones, place them somewhere on your table, on your bed, again, on your seats where you can clearly see them. Place them nicely like that, and look at them, and just look at them. And also with your regulars in mind, I'm sure you know your regulars in mind. Look at these ones and pick a top from your regular. Pick a top from your regular Let me just pick a top here so that I can demonstrate nicely. Pick a top from your regular and try to pair it like this. Try to pair it like this. How does it look? Look at them, try to pair them out and look at how that looks like. Do you like what you see? Don't you like what you see? I don't know what you see on your closet, but this should be very fun and enjoyable. You try them out, see how that works with your regulars and your nevers, like this one. Try pair them out with your regulars, the one you wear oftenly and the one you've never worn. Try pair them and see how that looks. But I say don't only do this. Go ahead and pick them on. Go ahead and put them on and feel them on your body so that you are able to not only look at them but also feel them, and just stand on your closet, in front of your mirror and look at how you look. Do you like what you see? Don't you like what you see? If you don't, just play around with your regulars and your nevers until you get to a point where you're able to see and say, this one I like how this looks. I never thought this would be paired with this one. I like. That's how you create your style, by the way. That's how I also do my, style creations. I just go into my nevers. I don't have many though, but I go into them and just pull a top or a skirt, whatever, and try to play around with what I wear oftenly, which I call my regulars. So yeah, are we together? I know I've talked too much already, and most of you are like, and I'm gonna try this thing out. Good for you, and that's why this video is that's what this video is about. So if you're gonna try it out, I want you to do me a favor. You can place your regulars on the floor like this. Take a photo, a very nice photo of these regulars, and you can send me. If you have my WhatsApp number, the better. If you don't have, please DM me on Facebook, on Instagram, or you can post it on your Facebook, then tag me. I'd be love to see what you guys have done with these regulars and nevers. And just, create our own style, especially during this isolation and stay at home. This will be fun. I'm sure you would love it. And if you think this is too much and say, that's not my thing, no worry. When all this are over, we can come together and I help you do this. That's what I do. So basically, guys, that's been my video for today. I'm sure you've learned one or two things that you can share with your friends, your colleagues and family who are at home. And do you think this would be beneficial for? Otherwise, try it out, take photos, have fun, and tag me. And let's create our own style. Why not? Why not create our own style? So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please thumbs up for it. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and make sure you share this content. Thank you very much. See you on part 2, by the way. I'll do part 2 of this video.